This entire animated video was made without animating a single frame. No timelines, no keyframes, no animation skills. If you've ever tried animation and quit halfway, this video fixes that because most people think animation fails at the tool stage, when in reality, it fails at the workflow. Too many steps, too many apps, and results that still look obviously AI. Today, I'm breaking down the exact AI animation workflow I use, from a simple idea to a finished animated video, without manual animation or expensive software. We'll generate the story, turn it into visuals, add realistic voiceovers, animate everything, and assemble it into a polished final video. And the best part? You don't need to learn animation at all. Let's get into it. Every animated video starts with one thing: a story. And this is where AI gives you a massive advantage. Instead of staring at a blank page, I start inside ChatGPT. Here, I describe the core idea of my story in simple terms. I already have a rough short story of a young girl named Amani about change. I don't aim for perfection. I just get the idea out. Once I have a rough concept, I ask ChatGPT to expand the idea into a short script, break it into scenes, and add emotional pacing. This step is important because AI animations work best when you think in scenes, not paragraphs. Each scene should answer one question: what do I want the viewer to see at this moment? Once the story is ready, I move on to visuals. Now we turn the story into visuals. For each scene, I create one key image that represents that moment in the story. I use Nano Banana AI image generators for this. It allows cinematic lighting, consistent characters, different camera angles. For each scene, I like using image prompt like wide establishing shots, close-ups for emotion, mid-shots for dialogue. The trick here is to think like a director. Where is the camera? What mood does the lighting create? What emotion should the image communicate? I generate multiple versions of each image and pick the strongest one. Once I have all my images, I make sure they're high resolution, they're consistent in style, and they match the tone of the story. Now it's time to bring the images to life. This is where everything starts to feel alive. I'll take each image and turn it into motion using AI video generators. This can be achieved using a number of AI tools. One is Kling AI. I love using Kling AI when I want to focus on subtle camera movement, natural motion, cinematic depth. Each image becomes a short animated clip, usually 5 to 10 seconds long. In instances where I want a lip-synced character, VO 3.1 is my go-to. I find that nothing does an excellent job at lip-syncing characters than VO. I'll repeat this process for every scene until I have a full sequence of animated clips. Visuals alone aren't enough. Voice brings the story to life. For this step, I use 11 Labs AI voice generation tool. I paste my script into the voice generator and choose a calm narrator voice. The key is natural pacing. Avoid robotic delivery by adding pauses, keeping sentences conversational, and matching the emotion of the scene. Once the voiceover is generated, I'll export it as an audio file. Now we have both video clips and a voiceover. It's time to assemble everything. This is where the magic really happens. Inside a video editor, I'll arrange the animated clips in order, sync them to the voiceover, add background music, and layer subtle sound effects. Music sets the emotion. Sound effects add realism. Transitions smooth everything out. This step turns a collection of AI assets into a real video. I keep edits clean and simple, no flashy distractions, just strong storytelling. Once everything feels balanced, I export the final video. And just like that, you've created an AI animated video from scratch. And that's the full workflow. From a single idea to a complete animated video, powered entirely by AI. No animation skills, no expensive software, no studio setup. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want more tutorials on AI animation, storytelling, and faceless content creation. And remember, AI doesn't replace creativity. It amplifies it. I'll see you in the next video.